boys and girls. Today we're going to be reviewing the letters and the letter sounds we've already learned, and we'll be meeting a new letter and a new zoo friend to learn another letter sound. Can you believe it? We're learning so many! All right, let's review the ones we already know. Allie, alligator. Ah, ah, ah. Katina, cat. Dee Dee, deer. D, d, d. Gordo, gorilla. G, g, g. Honey, horse. Innie, inchworm. I, I, I. Missy, mouse. Mm. Nigel, night owl. Mm. Olive, octopus. Ah. Timothy, tiger. Tss, tss, tss. All right, and let's see who the new letter we're going to be learning. S. And we're going to work with little s today to learn all about the letter S and the sound it makes. Little s likes the sound s, like the sound a hissing snake makes. S. Yeah, my S book. And the author is Jane Belk Monker. It's illustrated, or the pictures were drawn by Linda Hohag. The front of the book is called the front cover, yeah. The back of the book is called the back cover. And the part that holds the book all together is called the spine, yes. Help me find where we start reading our story. Do we read here? No. Does our story start here? No way. Does our story start here? Yes, indeed. Little S had a box. He said, I will fill my box. Little S took off his shoes. Socks, sweater, and shirt. He put them in his box. What do you notice that starts with S on this page? Yeah, socks and sweater both start with S. All right, let's watch my mouth as I say that S sound. Ready? S. So you're closing your mouth almost all the way, and you're pushing the air out between your teeth. Awesome. Let's get back to the story to find out what else he puts in his box. Little S put on his swimsuit and his sandals. Then he went for a walk. What does swimsuit and sandals start with? Yeah, they start with S. You guys are just rocking this. Let's keep going. All right. He found a shovel and a sand pail and a sand castle. Oh my goodness, what does sand pail start with? Yes, and sand castle also starts with S. He put them into his box. Little S went for a swim. What did he do on this page that starts with S? Yeah, swim starts with S. He saw a seal swimming in the sea. There are 3 words on this page that start with S. Can you hear one of them? He saw, oh, actually there's 4 words. He saw a seal swimming in the sea. Yeah, saw, seal, swimming, and sea all start with S. He saw 6 seals on the sand. Did he put them in his box? What do you think? Would he put a seal in his box? Yes, he would, because it starts with S. And why do you think it's important that he saw 6 seals? Yes, because 6 starts with S. Little S found seashells. Lots of seashells. He found a starfish too. In you go, he said. Why did he put the starfish and the shells in his box? Yeah, they both start with S. Shell starts with sh. But you know what? That sh sound is made with an SH. Oh, also they're called seashells. So a seashell starts with S. And a starfish starts with S. So he put them in his box. Oh my gosh, I think we found our new zoo friend. I can't wait to get to him. Then he saw a shark. He put the shark into a sack. He put the sack into his box. What does sack start with? S. Yes. See, what is this? Little S saw a sea snake. He put the sea snake into a sack too. Do you know why? Why would he put the sea snake into a sack? Yeah, to keep it from hurting other animals. This is Sammy the snake. Sammy the snake likes to slither along and he says, "Sss." Let me show you nice and big. He says, "Sss," as he slithers. "Sss," just like that. All right, we will practice that. Moving on. Later, little S met a sailor. "Hi," he said. What did he meet that starts with S? Yeah, he met a sailor. Guess what the sailor gave him? A sailor hat. "You can be a sailor," he said. How nice. They played on a seesaw. What did they play on that starts with S? A seesaw. They slid down the slide. What did he slide down? Yeah, a slide. And what does a slide start with? S. Yes. They swang in the swings. What does swings start with? S. Yes. Suddenly, they heard a loud sound. "What's in your box?" asked the sailor. "Things that begin with my sound," said little S. And what's little S's sound? S. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. "I sail on things that begin with your sound," said the sailor. "I sail on a ship. I sail on a submarine." What does submarine start with? Yes. Guess what little S said? "I want to sail." Little S took along his box. What fun they had in the submarine. All right, repeat after me. All these words that start with S. Say starfish, slide, swing, swing, sailor, sandals, sand pail, sandcastle, 7 seals, sweater, sailor hat, seesaw, socks, sack, seashells, swimsuit, sea snake. More words with little s. Sunflower, stick, snail, soap, salad, star, sink, seed, saw, sun, soap, square, stool, stone, stamp, slingshot. Wow, there are a lot of words that start with the sound we learned today. What sound was it that we learned today? Yeah, we learned S. And the letter S makes that sound and it looks like this. And our zoo friend we met today was Sammy Snake. Say Sammy Snake. Sammy Snake. Great work today, boys and girls. Make sure you go on Seesaw to learn how to write and draw a picture of something that starts with the S sound. You got it.